Okay. Hi. It's been quite some time again. Here I am recording. Today is March 2025. And as you can see, nasa kwarto na ako ng isa kong kwarto. And that's my setup. And yun. Uh, this is somehow the most emotional day that I have ever had in my entire fucking life. Ang dami nangyari. Ang dami nangyari sa akin today. And doing this, it's really a privilege. Yung privilege talaga to be blessed, to be loved, to be, to know people na, na Naljin na you really don't know kung sino ka bilang isang tao. You just, you just romanticize such thoughts na wala naman talagang there's no sense of that authentic you, the core, kung sino ka man, kung sino ka talaga bilang isang tao. But si God, si Lord, si Jesus, He just loves you so much to the point He would break you down. He would really make challenges for you, regardless of whether He, regardless of whether you were faithful to Him, you sinned, He truly loves you. But at the same time, my actions dictates my intentions. My actions, my behavior, nakakaapekto yun sa mga ibang tao sa paligid ko. The way I talk, the way I speak, the way I behave, the way I say things. And you gotta really, really take the time talaga, Naljin, to fucking know yourself. To say na talaga, tama na, tama na. Because may potential ka eh. You have the potential to be anything, to do anything. Why are you so hard on yourself? Why are you just thinking and thinking and thinking to the point na parang, grabe, grabe. Alam mo yung dapat mong gawin eh. Why do you stick to be mediocre? To be the coward of not facing your fucking demons in your fucking head, in your fucking heart, man. Kaya mo eh. Kaya mo. Kaya mo talaga, Najin. But you have to be humble enough to say na, I don't know how. I don't know, Ken, pero it's all about, it's in here, the lies. You gotta accept the past. Wala na yung nanay at tatay mo. They're not gonna ever fucking go back. Hindi sila na magbabalikan. Stop living in the past. Start start being here in the present, the now, and do something about for yourself, for your future, because a lot of people will bring you down. Pero ikaw lang makakabangon sa sarili mo. Kaya please, wag ka sanang Alam mo na. You gotta control your temper. No one's going to hurt you anymore. It's all in your it's all in your head. It's all in your head. It's all in your head. Be be genuine. Hindi ka perfecto. You are not perfect. Hindi ka perfecto. Hindi ka perfecto. Tao ka lang. Nagkakamali. Wag na wag ka magtakot. Don't ever fucking don't ever ever don't you ever wag ka matakot mag-fail. It's part of life. You know, sa paggawa ko nito, para sa atin to eh. Hindi naman para sa tao to, para sa ito because it helps. It helps you to to really to really for every breakdown, there's for every tear, may purpose eh. Pero neither of this would ever happen because of Jesus, because of you 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 really want to improve, you really want to say na gusto magbabago na ako, pero hindi mo kaya. You are not alone. You have your family, you have your friends. Don't ever pretend na, oh, wala akong friends. Tang ina mo. Meron kang kaibigan. Meron nagmamahal sa'yo. Meron, meron nakikita potential mo. Don't put that lies anymore in your head kasi hindi naman totoo. But it's never going to be easy. It's never going to be easy. It's never going to be easy to say na, yeah, pick your battles, pick your demons, pick everything, pick everything. So yun, na-real talk kasi ako ng kapatid ko about nangyari sa akin and nakita nakita niya yung pagkakamali ko and sobrang galing niya and I'm just here letting it all out instead of, masturbating, social media doom scrolling. Pero doing this and before nag-a-advise sa akin, be confident. Kalaban mo lang sarili mo. Be kind. Always be nice. Yun, tawag dito. Pero dahil na-experience mo tong phase, itong shift, itong nangyayari, itong magic moment, if I could say that to myself, it works eh. This works for you. It works for me. It works for us. Imagine to really let it all out here and post it sa YouTube, no? Kasi who really gives a shit? No, it's for me, for us to really, you know, express our thoughts, our emotions because yes, your feelings are valid, our feelings are valid, but at the same time, we have to take action. Experience is the best teacher nga, di ba? So parang, oh my gosh, kailangan eh. Kailangan mabuhay ka sa mundo na dapat hindi magkasari. Kailangan mo makalihibo, makisama, di ba? So yun, ito ngayon is, again, this is March 20, 2025. uh, video recording to be posted by YouTube. My pri private na hindi alam ng mga iba na dito yung basta yun. Yeah. Uh, I love it. Thank you, Lord. You are so faithful. Thank you, my brother. And I hope really after this you're gonna come back stronger, smarter, handsome, disciplined. Never go back. Keep moving forward. Never ever fucking go back. Kaya mo eh. Kaya mo. Kayang kaya mo. Kaya Naljin, mahal na mahal kita. Huwag ka lang susuko. Marami ka pang kailangan malaman. Marami ka pang kailangan gawin. Marami ka pa kailangan matulungan. Marami ka pang makikilala. This is just a fucking phase. Grow the fuck up! Tumanda ka na. Hindi ka na bata. Tumanda ka na. Hindi ka na bata. Ayan. Again, thank you guys for listening. And I hope no more. I hope. Ayun. So, yun. Thank you guys. Love you so much. Peace.